There we go. She's done. Look at that. Captain Rachel, that's she's on the over.
Me too. Are
say,
you going to
hey,
announce?
we're making Maryland crab cakes.
Now?
Yeah, now.
Hi. I can't do it. Stop.
All right, so we're making Maryland crab cakes today. It's Sunday. This is what we're making for dinner. The wife, my sexy, and it's one, it's Mother's Day. Two, it's our 34th anniversary today. 34 years we've been together. And if you see her and how beautiful she is, and you would see me right now, you would say why. Okay, so we're going to go over the ingredients. I'm not going to let her do it because I'm just yeah, it's not been a good week for me. Okay, all right. So right here, what do we have here?
We have 3.5 pounds.
Let me turn this on. All right, we'll start again. No, we're just turning the light on to make it better. Who cares?
We have 3.5 pounds of crab meat, female.
We got female crab meat. Now, everybody, tell them, say, when you go to a restaurant, and you buy a crab cake that's already made up, 99.9% of the time, it is what?
Female, but I like male.
She likes male. I'm glad she likes male. But most of your restaurants are going to have, because it's cheaper. It's cheaper to get female crabs, and so that's why a lot of restaurants will get them. Okay, so we got 3 pounds, 2.5.
3.5.
3.5 pounds of crab meat here.
4 pieces of bread, picked.
Yeah, we got 4 pieces of bread, uncrusted. And soft. These aren't hard. These are soft.
2 eggs.
See, they're soft.
2 eggs.
We got 2 eggs. But how much mustard do you put in? Now just what we'll do.
I'd say 1/4 cup.
All right. Now what I'll do in the description is put the ingredients and the estimates ingredients for 1 pound of crab meat.
Right.
All right, and then you can just add. We're
maybe like a tablespoon if it was for that.
My wife don't like a lot of mayonnaise, even though it's very rare that I'm even thinking that she's going to eat mayonnaise in anything. But all right, so how many? About 1/4 cup, you said?
Yeah.
That's because we got 3 pounds of crab meat.
Got 1/4 cup of the mustard. I just put this out here. That's our seasoning. Parsley to taste. Old Bay, I do about 1/4 cup. Maybe. Worcestershire sauce a splash. And mayonnaise about 1/4 cup.
Okay.
And you mix it together, but I fold it. I don't mix it. I fold.
Yeah.
So the meat will stay,
now,
together.
One thing you gotta remember for us in the Old Bay, you got to be careful with it because these are steamed crabs we steamed, so they're going to have somewhat of a salty taste to them.
Because they have
so
seasoning.
Make sure that you add as you go. You don't want to add too much and it'd be too salty. That would suck. Right. And what you're going to do is you're just going to add everything together.
Yeah.
All right. We'll let her get on that.
You'll see when I.
And then she'll make big giant crab cakes for us.
Yes. Well, actually, what I do first is instead of doing it that way,
What do you do?
I mix them first. Okay, what a mess.
I'll be back.
Whisk it. We'll whisk it. Yeah, it's what you're supposed to do. So it's not lumpy, huh? Okay, so I just add the whole thing of the 2 eggs. Then I add the mustard. French's is the best. And I ad-lib it for me. That's about good.
About 1/4 cup.
Yep. Parsley.
Show them that parsley.
Well,
Don't put too much.
No, I don't. That's just for color.
Show them the parsley.
Cha-ching. Okay. Then Old Bay. And then a splash of Worcestershire, which is a little more than a splash. Okay. And the mayo, which is Hellmann's, the only kind you should get. And that's about
Whoa, you're putting that much mayonnaise in there?
Yes. And then the breadcrumbs. And then I fold, which I probably should have just added gradually.
Yeah, you should be able to do it.
Breadcrumb. But that's okay, I still do it
might
this
even
way.
be better doing it that way.
No, I don't like to use my hands if I don't have to. It's because you want to fold into it. You don't want to smash it.
Hey,
with your
they're
hands.
delicious. I don't care what you do. You just go ahead.
You want the crab meat to stay, together.
Yeah, you want to break the crab meat up too much.
Right. So this is why you do
You know,
this
I mean, there was some lump in there. She mixes a lot of lump in there
Yeah.
with it.
with the back fin. Usually we have a ton of lump, but we don't. And we didn't have a whole lot of lump this year because the crabs weren't that great this year. So, but anyway, these are wonderful once they're done. And then I'll probably add more parsley and more Old Bay once I'm done this.
Getting that center.
Yeah. Basically, it's almost done there. You want it fluffy.
Yeah, it's like-
I know, I gotta have it. That's why I keep mixing it. Right. Do more mix. Okay, so then add a little more. This doesn't come out right.
There's plenty.
And then I'll just use a splash of big. Mix it one more time. And then we just form them into either balls or a cake consistency. That's it.
Are you gonna lay them out on the sheet?
So I just take, we like big ones.
We like big crab cakes. Speak up a little bit.
We like big crab cakes. So I don't like them flat. Right, exactly. Our saint. Alright, so that's one. Look how pretty it looks.
There we go. She's done. So everybody in here likes them. Everybody in here likes them fried. Me, I'm good with hard broil. Put them in the broiler until they get real nice and dark. So it's all going to depend on how you can fry them. You can hard broil them. You know, it means just stick them in your broiler and cook them, whichever way you like them. But they are delish. Delish. I'll show you when we're done pulling them out of the oven. She might bring the fryer out, and actually her mom on Mother's Day, she likes fried crab cakes, not broiled, so most likely we'll probably bring out. She might just stick them in a pan. Actually, now think about it. Are you going to stick them in a pan and fry them?
We can do that too. We have 7.5 pounds left.
We got. So we started out with about 41 pounds of crab meat at the beginning of in December of this. I mean, well, since last crabbing season.
Yeah.
And we were down to how many?
7.5.
We got 7 pounds left, so I'll be making some soups. I think I'm going to go out. My last video, I want to do some crappie fishing, but me getting used to fishing in kayaks is
That's another thing.
yeah. I'd like to rather just go on my damn boat. But I'm gonna try crappie stuffed with a crab cake, stuffed with crab meat. We'll see how that works out. All right, we'll show you when they're done. So we decided not to broil them. We're gonna fry them all.
I think that's plenty of oil.
All right, we'll show you when they're done.